This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Gemini Voice Assistant. First, download the Gemini app from your device's App Store. Once installed, open the app and sign in using your Google account. You'll then be prompted to grant essential permissions, like access to your microphone and notifications, which are crucial for Gemini to function properly. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the initial setup process smoothly. Now, let's personalize your Gemini experience. Navigate to the Settings menu to adjust voice preferences, choosing from several options, and select your preferred language. You can also connect Gemini to your smart home devices, enabling voice control for lights, thermostats, and more. Don't forget to set up personal routines, automating tasks like your morning news briefing or evening wind down. To keep Gemini running smoothly, always ensure you have a stable internet connection. This is vital for its cloud-based functions. Regularly check for app updates in your device's App Store to access new features and performance improvements. If Gemini ever becomes unresponsive, a simple device restart often resolves minor glitches. You can also clear the app's cache in your phone settings if issues persist. To truly maximize your Gemini experience, explore its deep integration with other Google services like Calendar and Maps for seamless assistance. Practice using various voice commands to quickly retrieve information, set reminders, or even make calls hands-free. And speaking of upgrades, if you're looking to upgrade your clean game, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to that, along with other great deals, in the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.